Nest Cam offline issues commonly stem from unstable Wi Fi, power interruptions, firmware bugs, or environmental interference. Recent updates like firmware 7.51 Plus address some issues, but problems persist, especially with router incompatibilities such as Eero or Netgear. In this video, we'll cover how to diagnose and fix these issues to keep your camera online. We will cover the most important reasons as to why this is happening to get you up and running as quickly as possible. Nest cams require a stable Wi-Fi connection to function properly. The 2.4 GHz frequency band is often more reliable than 5 GHz for maintaining consistent connectivity. Offline status occurs when the camera loses internet access. This can happen due to signal drops, IP address conflicts, or internet service provider outages. To prevent offline issues, ensure your Nest Cam receives a strong Wi-Fi signal of -50 dBm or better. You can measure this using a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your smartphone. Consider your router placement and minimize interference from other devices like microwaves or Bluetooth gadgets to maintain a stable connection. Power problems are often the obvious culprit when your Nest Cam goes offline. Consistent power is crucial for reliable operation. Voltage dips or overheating can trigger offline modes in your camera. If using USB power, ensure the cable and adapter are functioning correctly. For battery-powered models, check battery levels and charging connections regularly. Intermittent disconnects can often be traced to faulty power sources. If possible, try different power outlets to see if the issue persists. Firmware bugs or app conflicts, especially with Android or iOS updates, can cause your Nest Cam to disconnect. To prevent this, regularly update your Nest Cam firmware through the Nest app to avoid security exploits and incompatibilities. Also, check for Nest app updates in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Remember, outdated software is a common cause of connectivity problems. Start with power cycling your Nest Cam. Simply unplug the camera for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This refreshes the device and often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Your Nest Cam needs a strong connection. Use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your phone to measure the signal near the camera location. Aim for a signal strength of -50 dBm or better. Use the Nest app's test connection feature. Open the app, select your camera, and run the connection test. This will diagnose any network issues and provide specific guidance for fixing them. Ensure your camera is within range of your Wi-Fi router. Move the camera closer if needed, ideally within 30 feet of the router with no major obstructions like walls or appliances. Finally, restart your router and modem. Unplug both devices for 30 seconds, then plug them back in, starting with the modem first. This refreshes your network connection and often fixes connectivity issues. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Nest Cam offline issues, it's time to try advanced fixes. First, consider performing a factory reset on your device. This restores the camera to its original factory settings, clearing any software glitches or configuration problems. Always check Google's official support site for specific reset instructions tailored to your Nest Cam model to avoid data loss. Another advanced option for wired Nest Cam models is Ethernet bridging. This involves connecting your camera directly to your router using an Ethernet cable instead of relying on Wi-Fi. This method provides a more stable and interference-free connection, bypassing potential wireless issues that could cause offline problems. A common advanced issue is IP address conflicts on your network. This occurs when multiple devices attempt to use the same IP address, leading to connectivity problems. Access your router's DHCP settings to check and resolve any conflicts, ensuring each device on your network has a unique IP address. Finally, examine your router's settings for any restrictions that could affect your Nest Cam. Features like parental controls, MAC address filtering, or quality of service settings might unintentionally block or limit the camera's internet access. Review and adjust these settings to ensure proper connectivity. These advanced troubleshooting steps can help resolve persistent Nest Cam offline issues. If you've tried all these fixes and the problem persists, it's best to reach out to Google Nest support for further assistance. Router compatibility is a common culprit behind Nest Cam offline issues. Some routers, like Eero and Netgear models, can have trouble communicating properly with Nest Cams due to firmware incompatibilities or network protocols. To improve integration, consider upgrading to a Google Nest Wi-Fi mesh system. This dedicated ecosystem is designed to work seamlessly with Nest cams, providing better reliability and automatic reconnection features. Always ensure your router's firmware is up to date. Manufacturers regularly release updates that fix compatibility issues and improve security, which can resolve offline problems with connected devices like Nest cams. Finally, investigate your router's settings, particularly firewall configurations. Sometimes, security settings block the Nest cam's connection attempts, causing it to appear offline. Adjusting these settings can restore proper communication. The future of Nest cams includes AI-assisted diagnostics and improved connectivity. Google plans Nest Cam Pro models with built-in 4G failover for offline resilience. Ensure you enable two-factor authentication to prevent hacking-induced offline states. Regularly monitor your network and camera performance to proactively address potential issues. By staying informed and proactive, you can minimize downtime and keep your Nest Cam online.